Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed JEE Mains September 2020 questions in sequences and series. So I completed 3 questions. Now this is part 2, fourth question. See the fourth question, what they are given. S be the sum of first 9 terms of the series. If S is equal to, so they are given like this. Sum of 9 terms already given. So we need to find K value. How to find? See the question. Here, x plus Ka, x square plus K plus 2 into A, x cube plus K plus 4A, x power 4 plus K plus 6A. They are given like that. So observe here how to write sum of 9 terms. First take that sum S is equal to, first I am going to write 9 terms. X related terms I am writing x square, x cube, x power 4 like that, x square, x cube and so on, x power 9. These are sum of 9 terms, only x related. Next see here, Ka, K into A, K into A, K into A, like that. So how many terms? 9 terms. Ka plus Ka plus Ka and so on. Ka, how many times? 9 times. 9 times. Okay, students. Now, one more term is there extra. What is that? In first term, 0. Second term, 2A. Next, 4A. Next, 6A. And so on. Ninth one. This is C. 2 into 1. This is 2 into 2. This is 2 into 3. This is first, second, third, fourth. Fourth term, what we are written? 2 into 3. But ninth term, what we can write? 2 into 8 into A. This is ninth term. Students, are you understood? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fourth term. Fourth term means here 2 into 3. Ninth term means 2 into 8, all right? Right. So finally, we are identified 9 terms. Okay. Now, first series, observe that x plus x square plus x cube and so on, x power 9. This is GP series. Sum of 9 terms in GP series formula A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So here A means 1, A means x, R is also x. Here Ka plus Ka plus K and so on, Ka 9 times, that is 9 Ka plus here take the 2A common, remaining how many terms we get? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on, 8 terms, 8 natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers formula already we know that n into n plus 1 by 2. This is 8 into 9 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 4s are 36. Here we get 2A into 36. Okay. Next, after that, what we can do? Do one thing. Multiply with x. X power 10 minus x. See here, in this question, x power 10 minus x is there or not? Divided by x minus 1, I am taking the LCM. Here 9Ka plus 2A into 36. Take A common. 9K plus 72. 36 2s are 72 now. Into x minus 1. After taking the LCM, we get. But in the question already given, that is x power 10 minus x plus 45a into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So these two represents same. By comparing both, 45 is equal to how much, students? 9k plus 72. Here observe that this value I am going to compare. Remaining same now. Okay. Now 72 send left hand side. 45 minus 72. How much? Minus 27. That is equal to 9k. Finally, what is k value? Minus 3. This is the answer. So which option correct? Third option correct. Students, all of you understood now? Right. I'm going to discuss the next question. See the next question. Fifth one. If the first term and AP is 3, AP means that is A, first term is 3. The sum of first 25 terms is equal to sum of its next 15 terms. That means here 1 to 25, after that 26 to 15 terms now, 40. Sum of these terms is equal to sum of next 15 terms given. So this is, we can write S5. Then this is how to write, tell me. In the total, we can subtract S5. That means S40 minus S25. This is not 5, 25. 1 to 25 means sum of 25 terms. But 26 to 40 means in this total, I am going to subtract this. Total means S40 minus S25. Students, are you understood now? Right. So in this way, I am going to find the common difference. S25 is equal to S40 minus S25. This S25 send left hand side. 2 into S25. Sum of 25 terms in AP series. What is sum of n terms in AP series formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula, sum of n terms. Sum of 25 terms means 25 by 2 into 2a. A means 3 now. 2 into 3 plus 24d. That is equal to, here already we know that S25 send that side. We get 2S25 is equal to S40. How to find S40? 40 by 2 into 2a, a value is 3 plus 39d. This is. In this calculation, find d. 2 to cancel. Okay. 5 5s are 5 8s are. Okay. 2 4s are 8. Now 5 into 6 30 plus 5 into 24. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 12. That's 120d. Yeah. 4 6 are 24 plus 4 9s are 36, 156D. 30 minus 24, that is equal to 156 minus 20, that is 36D. 6 is equal to 36D. Now finally, what is common difference here? 1 by 6. This is the answer. Which option correct? Fourth option. Here, remember it carefully what they are given. Sum of first 25 terms equal to sum of next 15 terms. Okay. So sum of next 15 terms, how to find out? This is the important. That is total minus S25. We get sum of next 15 terms. This concept we know that means we get very easily answer. Okay, right? So I'm going to another question. See here. This is an important question in 2019 also given, as well as 2020 in January month also given this type of model. First observe here 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 cube, and so on up to infinite. This is GP series. Yes or no? Sum of infinite GP series formula. What is that? A by 1 minus R. This is the formula. Now calculate this. A means first term 1 by 3. R means common ratio. That is also 1 by 3. 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. That is 1 by 2. And here 0.16 given. This is, we can write 4 by 25. 2.5 given. That is 5 by 2. And 4 by 25 we can write 2 by 5 whole square. So no. Now use this. Go to the problem. 0.16 whole power logarithm 2.5. The sum of the series, how much we got answer? 1 by 2. Now this is 4 by 25 whole power logarithm 1 by 2 base 5 by 2. We know that logarithm property a power log b to the base c. We can write b power logarithm a to the base c. So these two we can interchange. This is one property in logarithm. So now I am going to follow that. Students, see 1 by 2 is coming here. Power logarithm 4 by 25 is going there. 4 by 25 means 2 by 5 whole square. But base 5 by 2 is there. So 2 by 5 convert into 5 by 2. How? The power is going to change. We get negative 2 by 5. So I am going to write 5 by 2 means the power is going to negative minus 2. Here base 5 by 2. The power minus 2 is coming in front of the logarithm. After that, log 5 by 2 to the base 5 by 2, that's value should be 1. 1 by 2 whole power minus 2. 1 by 2 means we can write 2 power minus 1 whole power minus 2. That is 2 square, that is 4. So answer is 4. This is numerical value type question. So how to write the answer? 4.00. This is the answer. Students, all of you understood now? Right. Thank you. Till now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. So remaining problems, I will make another video. Thank you.